You like, they're not even shit with that.
Yo, this is the fucking cigarette flip in my mouth. The Jackie Chan shit, yo. You know the Jackie Chan shit, the cigarette, the bogey. I don't condone this. Don't smoke. This is bad for your health. This is bad for the earth. They should ban this forever. Niggas fucked up. Like, why would you do that, man? Like yes. Yo. Alright, here you go, here you go, here you go. Damn. Alright, couple more tries. Hold on. Yo, stop, man. Come on. Focus, focus. Watch. Jackie Chan style.
Get 3 more tries.
Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan, nigga.
Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee. Eyes closed. That was bad, baby! Yeah! Y'all saw that? Replay that, yo. That shit was official right there. Hopefully it's not like the 1 second video y'all got before. Let's try one more time. Damn, forget it. Alright, yeah, I should have just let it finish and shit. That should have looked nice and shit.
Nah, just stop.
One more time. Eyes closed.
No más, no más,
Almost. One more time. Eyes closed. End of the video.
Oh, don't try this shit.
Yeah.
Don't try this shit at home.
Yeah, we don't condone smoking. Yeah, throw this out, I should break it, but I'm not gonna do that.